Thank you for visiting Wealthy Coins again. For the reasons that follow, you ought to possess 2 million Shiba Inu tokens. Shiba updates. As a surprise for the Shiba army, the Shiba Inu development team set up a festive countdown. A mystery countdown adorned with a Shiba Inu peering through a window is now featured on the official ShibaSwap page. With less than 5 hours to go, the Shiba army on Twitter is waiting impatiently for the big announcement. Furthermore, you should consider purchasing a Shiba Inu at this time. Anyone holding $2 million will soon amass $1 billion in wealth. Just how? Continue to observe. Watch this video to find out why you need 2,000 Shiba Inu tokens. Shiba updates. If you want to see more videos like this one where we predict and analyze the prices of Shiba Inus, be sure to subscribe to our channel, share the video, and give it a thumbs up. Now let's get the video started. For the most impatient Shiba members, the wait may finally be over, as Shibarium will most likely be the subject of the update. Crypto Nutty, a crypto enthusiast, claims that Shibarium is prepared to release its beta version. For the meme coins Web3 project Shim the Metaverse to function, the Layer 2 upgrade is essential. Also, the newly launched network is going to use Bone ShibaSwap, the other altcoin in the Shiba Inu ecosystem, to pay for gas. Hashtags like Shiba Army, Bone, and Shibarium were trending on crypto Twitter very immediately following the countdown announcement. Additionally, Shiba's rise to prominence as one of the most watched crypto assets on Binance, the world's largest crypto exchange, is further evidence of the meme coin's popularity with a Japanese guard dog concept. Shiba lagged slightly behind the top two crypto assets, Bitcoin BTC and Ethereum ETH, according to the statistics. The biggest Ethereum whales have already shown their preference for the meme money, which is 2 years old. But new patterns indicate that Binance Smart Chain BSC whales have been popping up at an alarming rate. Consequently, even in the midst of a severe crypto winter, the overall number of wallets is rising. According to CoinGecko, the price of Shiba has risen 2.1% in the past day, and it is now trading at 0.000868 USD on December 19th. For the most part of the year, the meme cryptocurrency was supported by a significant resistance line of $0.0001. It is still well below this barrier. Among the top 100 cryptocurrencies that have seen price increases today, Shiba Inu is one of the handful that has climbed 1.5%. The worldwide meme market has once again captured the interest of investors, as Bitcoin and Ethereum continue to falter in their respective support structures. Shiba Inu prices started to recover when a mysterious countdown went live on the project's Twitter account, which had been causing a precipitous fall in value over the previous few weeks. Users were kindly requested to grant the domain name service permission to propagate correctly prior to the countdown. By adding new tokens Leash and Bone, the Shiba Inu community may be anticipating that the price of Shiba Inu would climb and potentially approach $1. Reportedly pushing a possibly novel reward system, the enigmatic countdown also incorporates the Shiba Inu incubator. After recovering from support at $0.0008, the Shiba Inu price is getting ready to remove another zero. The market cap of the second biggest cryptocurrency has risen to $0.000871 USD after 3 straight green candles. To break over the token's immediate resistance at $0.0009, a new high must be achieved. The 50-day exponential moving average and the Shiba Inu price tag resistance at $0.000946, so a significant move in either direction could be possible. Not to mention that Shiba is also making steady progress towards a falling wedge breakthrough. At the moment, all eyes are on the bullish movement that aims to crush the seller congestion at $0.0009. If the Shiba Inu price breaks and maintains a higher trend than the wedge pattern's top trend line, traders may want to consider opening long bets. Shiba Inu has the potential to reach a goal price of $0.000006, a rise of 66.45% if it can break out of its current pattern. A possible bullish trend reversal could be on the horizon if a falling wedge pattern is present. The 66.45% target price reflects the typical exact and substantial price movement that follows this breakout. To determine this objective, we must go beyond the breakout point and measure the distance between the wedge's highest points as depicted in the figure. In order to keep up with the rising trend, traders need to keep an eye on the Shiba Inu price at critical levels, particularly those shown by the 50-day, 100-day, and 200-day exponential moving averages. The presence or absence of bullish momentum can be indicated by a price movement above any of these averages. It is clear that Shiba is being held by the bull, particularly as the stochastic oscillator is on the verge of crossing above the midline. propping the Shiba Inu price for a durable recovery to $0.000016. Further movement into the overbought territory would attract more sideline buyers to the market. The amount of Shiba Inu coins kept offline keeps growing even if the cryptocurrency market is now very volatile. Santiment reports that as of September there were 857.63 trillion Shiba tokens in non-exchange wallets, and that number has since risen to over 866.84 trillion. As more investors opt to keep their assets off the exchanges, the Shiba Inu price is likely to rise again. This pattern can be a sign that token holders are hoping for a future rally and are deciding to stick on for the ride. Put another way, the increasing amount of Shiba tokens that are not traded on exchanges may be interpreted as a promising indicator for the asset's potential future value. With its entry into the multi-billion-dollar payment business, Shiba Inu achieves a new milestone. More than 60 million establishments throughout the globe are already accepting Shiba payments, according to Garda, the leading non-custodial cryptocurrency wallet provider. This success is a result of Garda's prepaid Visa card offering supporting the meme coin. With the announcement of more token integrations, the platform now supports more than 20 different cryptocurrencies. Additionally, BUSD, DAI, Doji, AAV, and Bottom have been added. Users of the Garda wallet will be able to load their Garda prepaid Visa cards with ease through the integrations, allowing them to purchase more conveniently over the holiday season. The website first introduced its card service in August of this year. The product was listed as being accessible in 25 additional EU nations at that time. Physical and virtual card alternatives are both covered. They are compatible with any system that accepts Visa and can be linked to additional payment methods such as Apple Pay. The team at Garda Wallet is ecstatic to share the news that their prepaid Visa card is now available. This card is widely recognized everywhere Visa is accepted, so you may use it for all your online and in-store shopping needs. Notated by the business. Not only has Garda announced support for SHIB, but there are other payment solutions as well. The meme coin also received additional support from FCF Pay last month. American Airlines and Air Canada have both stated that SHIB holders can now use SHIB to pay for flight tickets. Hundreds of online shops like Amazon and Netflix already accepted FCF Pay crypto-enabled prepaid Visa cards. You can add FCF Pay cards to Apple Pay and Google Wallet, just like Garda, but only in the US and Canada. A large number of online shops, including Amazon and crypto-based streaming provider Netflix, now accept SHIB, according to the report. Users in the US and Canada can convert their cryptocurrency to local cash using FCF Pay's virtual Visa cards, which can connect to Apple Pay or Google Wallet. The widespread use of SHIB in the payment sector suggests that the token might soon become more than just a meme coin. As a result, this may cause the price to rise. With a 3.08% increase over the past 24 hours, SHIB was trading at approximately 0.0088 USD as of press time. From its all-time high of 0.0000 in October 2021, this is a 90% decline. However, SHIB is finding usage in many places than only payments. There is a great deal of excitement in the Shiba Inu community around upcoming project launches, such as a metaverse platform and a solution for scaling at Layer 2. We are finished for the day. To view our most recent videos, please subscribe, share, and give us a big thumbs up.